Talk to the people then, Mr. Electrician.
Lecture day again.
You're here.
Perform another one. 4-inch recess, we want to have on the side there. 60 on the side there. 6 more up on the side there.
Coffee cast tonight.
3 step anyway.
Can't go. You didn't joke without cutting my joints here.
Sir, Jesus! The readiest road.
Talk to the people then, Mr. Electrician.
Lecture day again.
You're here.
Perform another one. 4-inch recess, we want to have on the side there. 60 on the side there. 6 more up on the side there. You understood? Make the hold down very, very tight. You will straighten us, sir. And we do it like how it is.
You're here.
Yeah. It's sturdy. Oh, I'm not sliding. Alright, we have something for you. Now watch your style.
Yes. That's what hand you use, drive. You don't get the right remedy, man. Get the nipper pull. You see it? No, she wire easy if it burst. You don't want to give it the nipper pull.
Jam, tight and good.
Yeah, man. 4-inch recess light made out of the 4-inch pipe with the capping. Yeah, that is it.
Yeah, the next one we do, we never have no cap on the next one, Joe.
Yeah. We just show them the cheaper way you can go with it, you know.
Yeah.
We just duct tape it.
Alright, so we have
So if you decide to buy the capping, yeah man, you can purchase the capping for it. You know what I'm
cap in there.
Four-
Expensive, you know.
4-inch wastewater pipe. Cut them up. How much you say you cut them, Mr. Electrician?
3.5 inch good for them.
With the capping on it, how much you get?
You get 3 3/4, something like that. Good for your decking too.
You see it?
I know what I watch it slide. The pipe ain't going right in and go slide, but no way.
Yeah. Yeah man.
One more, yes, again.
All of them white top there, you know, say I recess them peeps, you know?
Oh,
Yeah man.
yeah. I can take up and show them what see there.
That is it man. See it?
Tape up all over.
Duct tape it.
Yeah. I put it down like that.
Don't want no concrete to pull it up, you know what I mean?
Take away water from it too.
Yeah, man, just stay tuned for your recite, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is it.
So my time you have long rain. I don't want 2 months out of rain. No water can get into this. Yeah. Watch out for you finishing look more. I understand.
Yeah, man.
Alright, that's how we do it. Only for the king. So me I sweat.
Hard work.
Tired, man.
Sun hot.
Yeah, and so not.
Yeah, man. And I hot place today now. Now give no location still. That's it.
Alright.
Yeah, man. We on it, people. We on it. A lot of deck in this. All over this side, I don't know, say, kitchen and dining area. A recess out. Over there, so we have 2 bedroom and bathroom. You understand? No recess not going over that side.
Don't worry, bro.
Yeah. Regular light.
For like bedroom, them I go.
Natural.
Yeah, them I go something. You can't get no roof. Ceiling. I
Yeah, man.
should say.
Ceiling bed, man.
Yeah.
You say I give it. Plastic ceiling.
Yeah.
Chinaman ceiling top.
I know something there.
Yeah, man. PVC ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
dropping a whole eye bedroom them. How much bedroom? 4 bedroom.
Yeah, man. So all of them something you make we make them in a people. You understand? So that's why you have to wire it like that. Yeah, man. We make them.
Yeah, no.
And the ready make come with screw up. You understand?
Yeah.
So you have to improvise and find way of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let it hold on the deck. You know?
Some don't know to make you work. Work, you know.
Yeah. Work or work him.
I work them.
So we are work the work, you know what I mean?
We are the work. Work have to stay at work.
That is it, man. Stay tuned. Over here, so now we have Mr. Correction, you understand? Put in some curve on the circle here. That is it, man. Look at that now. First one that you know. Start to people them.
How do we head by here? Put up the back.
Let me nipa. There.
Contractor. They want to take the man pipe in contractor. Where you go out?
We know what we do. We talk about no good. No, I'm man of
You see that now?
Yeah, big whip.
And the rookie work is in the youth. How you do?
Yeah, big whip.
You have to be a pro.
Talk too much, man.
Yeah, love me. And when this start touch his feet later, big whip there. You see, man. And ranking say, you're happy with us. Punch wall. Night I come.
Night I come. Traffic cast tonight.
Free me step anyway.
Have to cast tonight, you know. Very well.
Tough to rat it. Night I come. Oh, the way.
What's next that? Okay. Yeah, we pull down that in a basi. You serious?
Captain, you didn't joke like cutting my giant.
Sir, Jesus!
Eh?
To Radius Road.
What up, Sawa Street, man? Turn them back.
Don't just that side.
No go so to Radius Road.
Every tree stand up for a purpose. Yeah. You say ready for cast tonight? Back up board go on, you know. But the man love burn paper bag, man. Right here, finally did it lecture. The vacuum off, man, right there.